There was a first in Albuquerque, the first zero-gravity flight for these middle and high school teachers. It was sponsored by Northrop Grumman with good reason to inspire the next generation of scientists and engineers. I went along to float firsthand.
If you haven't taken your motion sickness medication, then you'll need to do so as soon as we break.
So how's that for a welcome to the mandatory briefing for a first-time zero-gravity flight for 30 teachers in Albuquerque? 2/3 of these teachers are from New Mexico, and the rest are from Texas or Arizona and maybe Colorado. Northrop Grumman pays for this experience, and the company's looking for a vital and specific ROI, or return on investment.
The population of engineers is aging. I mean, they all look like me with white hair, and there's a big gap of young engineers.
We wanted to ensure that students are interested in math and science, pursue careers in math and science. And what better way to inspire students than to inspire their teachers?
We made a little triangular stand for it, which will be Velcroed to the base of the plane. And then the test tubes have to have tops. So they have tops, and then the TSA requires tape, and then we had to fill them here this morning.
Anything that we can do to promote science and promote interest, to engage them, so they'll want to grow up and become scientists, or at least have a scientific literacy, is what we're trying to do here today.
I joined a team of teachers. We're put into teams according to color. My team is blue, designated by Blue Sox. So when we're on the specially rigged commercial jet, we stay in our own zone, blue. You'll see a lot of these as well. Motion sickness patches among the teachers, and mascots and toys to take into the closest thing to spaceflight on Earth. Now it's time to fly. The plane is essentially taking a roller coaster ride between 24 and 32,000 feet. The arcs are called parabolas. 15 parabolas gave us a dose of gravity on the moon, Mars, and at last, weightlessness. Each one only lasting 30 seconds. So, keeping an eye on experiments was not easy.
Your actual weightlessness, you've never experienced that. So, as soon as you get up, sometimes you get up so fast you hit the ceiling, and just kind of trying to get your boundaries.
Teachers also got to play a bit in the name of science with water and M&Ms and all kinds of stuff.
It was just amazing and astounding, and someday I'll find the words to be able to explain what happened.
It was all over so fast, and the only real complaint, the flight was too short. Now, we all had these nifty flight suits, and the program started back in 2006. About 1,000 teachers have taken part so far. We were the first city in this 4-city tour. All flights are booked.
And I understand some people got sick, but you did just fine.
I did just fine. Yeah, I didn't get sick at all. Now, one of the things they do, you see this, when you go up there, they put it on upside down. Yeah. Then when you get off, then you get to turn it over, and it's done by the flight crew.
So does that mean like you graduated or something?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
that's pretty
kind
cool.
of a ceremonial thing.
And the plane took off and then was doing like this. Is that how it worked?
Right. And there are no windows in our sections, because if you looked out the window, you would get sick.
I can only imagine.
Even the pilots say sometimes there are times where they close their eyes because literally they are going straight down toward the ground. You're falling with the plane.
Quite an experience for you.
It was great fun.
All right.
Really appreciate it. And the teachers had a great time. Hopefully we'll go back and see how they did.
Okay.